will learn the rhyme. What is the name of our rhyme? The name of our rhyme is Two Shiny Eyes. Two Shiny Eyes. If you have rhymes book, please open page number 5. Okay, if you have no books, no problem. You can follow with me. Okay, see, this is your rhymes book. Please open page number 5. Okay. Okay, let's start. Run. Two shiny eyes. Say with me. Two shiny eyes. Show your eyes. Two shiny eyes. To look around. To look around. Two tiny ears. Two tiny ears. To hear a sound. To hear a sound. Two tiny eyes to look around. Two shiny eyes to look around. Two tiny ears. Two tiny ears to hear a sound. To hear a sound. The next, one little mouth, one little mouth to eat a toast, to eat a toast. One little nose, say with me all of you. One little nose, one little nose to smell a rose, to smell a rose. Then 10 little toes, 10 little toes to kick a ball, 10 little toes to kick a ball. 10 little fingers, 10 little fingers to wave a call, to wave a call. Two shiny eyes to look around. Two tiny ears to hear a sound. One little mouth to eat a toast. One little nose to smell a rose. 10 little toes, 10 little toes to kick a ball. 10 little fingers, 10 little fingers to wave a call, to wave a call. Okay, children, very good. Clap yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap చేయండి, మీకు మీరే clap చేసుకోండి. Very good. Now, your rhymes. What is that rhyme? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. Then I will teach you A, B, C. Very good. Good. Oh, good job, children. Very good. Okay, children. See, once all of you shake your hands. 2 minutes. 1 minute. Shake your hands. Shake, shake, shake your hands. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your hands like this. Yes, very good. Shake your hands. Okay, then do all of you. Page number 41, English workbook. Page number 41. If you have English workbooks, please open page number 41. Yes, page number 41. You have to open, ma. See, today our topic is, see first, today the date is 12th July 2021. 12th July 2021. Which day today? Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. See, which day today? Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Which subject now we are learning? We are going to learn English. English. See, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. First one, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. First one, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Yesterday Sunday is over. Today is Monday. Okay. All of you open the page number 41. See. Look at the picture. And complete the look at the picture and complete the sentences using the given words. Okay, now we are going to write. See, look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. See, here they give some pictures. See, what is the first picture, children? Homework is write these 5 sentences 2 times. Okay, each sentence write 2 times. Today's English homework is read and write. Page number 41. Read and write page number 41. Sentences 2 times. See, this is the English homework. See, read and write these 5 sentences, each sentences 2 times. Okay, write this each sentences 2 times. Okay, the wig is on the pin. The girl has a big pin. The pig is in the pit. The fig is on the lid. The kid has a bib. Okay, write these sentences 2 times. Okay, now all of you once take out your EVS textbooks, ma. Once open your EVS textbooks. Now which subject we are learning? EVS. Environmental Science. EVS means Environmental Science. Once open page number 31. See, horse home called stable. Horse home called stable. Pig, sheep's home called pen. Sheep's home called pen. Hen's home called coop. Hen home called coop. And the dog home called kennel. Dog home called kennel. Cow's home called shed. Cow's home called shed. And pig's home called sty. Pig's home called sty. Then open the next page. Yes, page number 32. Open the next page. Page number 32. All of you open page number 32. Turn the page. Turn the page. Page number 32. All of you open page number 32. Okay, Masi. Birds home call nest. Birds home call nest. Bees home call beehive. Bees home call beehive. Snake home call hole. Snake home call burrow. And the next one, spider's home call web. Spider home call web. Ants home call antil. Ants home call antils. Now natural homes of animal. Bear home call cave. Bear home call cave. Deer, elephants home forest. Deer, elephant home forest. See, duck, fish live in the water. Duck and fish live in the water. Monkey, squirrel and bird live on tree. Monkey, squirrel, birds live on trees. Okay, all of you. Now open page number 34. All of you open page number 34. All of you open page number 34. See, we have matching here, page number 34. All of you. The lion home is called den. The lion home is called den. The lion home is called den. You do matching lion to den. Okay. Now see the second one. What is this? Bear. Which animal is this? Bear. Yes. Bear home called cave. We have to find out the cave. See, this is the cave. No. This is the cave. Yes. Now we have to do matching here. This is the cave. Now do matching near cave. Bear live in the cave. Bear live in the cave. Okay, children. Next see monkey. What is this animal? Monkey. Monkey lives on, yes, trees. Monkeys lives on trees. Now do matching here to trees. Do the matching from monkey. We have red dot. We have tree on another red dot. We have to join this one. Okay. And the next one, deer. Deer. Yes. Now we have to find out the home of the deer. This is the house of the deer. No. This is the house of the deer. No. This is the house of the deer. No. And this is the house of the deer. No. This is the house of the deer. No. This is the house of the deer. Yes. This is called the forest. Now we have to do matching near forest. Deers live in the forest. Deers live in the forest. And see the next one. Which insect is this? Ant. Ant. Ants live in the anthills. Ants live in the anthills. Is it ants home? No. Is it ants home? No. Is it ants home? No. Is it ants home? Yes. We have to do matching near anthills. Ants live in the anthills. Ants live in the anthills. And see the last picture. What is that? Yes, rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit live in the burrow. Rabbit live in the burrow. See, is this burrow? No. Is this burrow? No. Is this burrow? Yes. Now we have to do matching near burrow. Okay, like that you do the matching and show to me.